$14. Don't like the shape. $8. Good price. Don't like the shape. Too square. These are a little too flimsy for $14. I don't really like the handle and the top. Let's see what else we have here. Not big enough. $5. Good price. I'd rather not get clear. Well, it goes for $8. A little bit too square. Same different color. What do we got here? $8. A little bit too smooth on the sides. And I'd rather have this side be flat. That one might work. That might be our best option right here. What are these? It's a little bit too obvious. I don't really like that. I'd have to cover that up. It's about almost hip height, about 3 feet tall. Maybe. Target was a bust on this one. Home Depot next. All right, these Home Depot 27-gallon totes might work. Interesting shapes on the side. I could make that work. I don't really like this, but most all of them have that nowadays. I have to cover that up. Well, gotta use what you can find. And I could make that work. It's not great, but all right. These Husky totes are a little bit smaller, pretty similar in size. I mean, not terrible. I kind of like the beveled corners. It makes it a little bit obvious that they're totes, but it's not going to be like the original from 70 years ago. It'll be more of a modern style, but I mean, that's a cool shape. It's pretty tiny. These Husky 37-gallon totes are a little more pricey. They're not bad. None of them are really what I want. This one has too much ribs and too much stuff going on. I don't really like this. The handle. It's not much of a flat space there. But at least it has some design on the side of it. I've got to remember to never come to San Rafael again. Every time I come here, there's like just terrible service. And there was about 20 people in line for the self-checkout. It's just ridiculous. Not worth it. Nope. No San Rafael. Here we go, onto location. And here's where all the inspiration originated from, right there. 3210 Kerner Boulevard. George Lucas's old facility. ILM, Lucasfilm. Right here in the hood. We're in. Here we are at Orchard Supply. We got a Indigo 25-gallon for $18. Looks like that. All right, we got some 76-liter, clear and smooth. Might work. It's kind of tiny, but I got to deal with all the hinges. So I was able to get a few pieces at Orchard, and found out they're going out of business. So if I don't like what I got today, I've got to return it today. I think I'll be all right. Just got a little water attachment to do some sprinkler work for shooting in the rain, and then picked up a few lighting elements for the costume. I got like a LED light bar to go on the wrist, and I'm gonna kind of build a gauntlet for this the boy character who's out in the woods in the dark. So we got a gauntlet for him, a gauntlet light. Here, I'll show you. Let me see if I can flip this thing while I'm recording. Can you? Guess not. So yeah, got a little gauntlet light which will go on the wrist, and then I'm gonna try and get a little light here. We'll see how it works. Okay, so it's now about 1:30. I think I left home around 11, and my shopping is pretty much done for the day. I'm gonna stop in the Goodwill later on this afternoon, but right now it's off to location scouting. Didn't buy any buckets or containers yet for the GONK droid. didn't really see anything I really liked, so I'm gonna have to make a decision based on a bunch that aren't really what I want. And one thing I've found out with production design is if you know what you want, you can send one of your crew, PA or something, to go get your materials. But a lot of times you've got 100 things in your head that you know you need to come up with a solution for. You need to design and build something efficiently. You don't really know what that is until you see it. I mean, you actually have to go shopping. And so that's one thing that's kind of cool. It's kind of fun. But sometimes it's also a drag if you're like on set and you're building, and then you need to handle another set that's coming up in the afternoon. You still have things you got to do, or you got some costumes you got to work on. A lot of times I have to actually go and look, see what I can come up with, and then once I see everything that's available, I'll pretty quickly be able to make some decisions to go, yep, this is my best option, this is my best option, I'm going to put these together like this, I know how I want to do it. And then you do it. All right, rolling on to location.